You can see for the day, I made a total of $182. Total was 257, but after my losses, it came to 182. So as we looking at the market, as you can see, we was bounced between 386 and 383, but I knew the market had potential to fall to about 380. So before I even trade, I always wait about 5 or 10 minutes for the big move to even happen for me to get into the trade. So I like to stay patient. And then right now the market is giving me a little bearish vibes to it. And I don't really use my EMAs as much. Only one I really use is a 200. So the market starts off, the market's falling, and then I'm not really hopping straight into it like most people would. I'm waiting to see a play. And right now it's bouncing off that 384 area. So only thing I could think of is drawing that support line for what I can see right there. Maybe get a triple bottom. And maybe get a nice little play up. So I could look for a potential buy in that area. But I don't know yet. You know, the market's still fresh. The market is still open. Just open, I mean. So I'm just staying really patient to know what I really want to get into, you know. So what I like to do is, while I'm looking to get into play, I like to see what the rest of the market's doing. That kind of helps me indicate what's going on with the rest of the market. So if you can see, everything look like it's ready to take a toll to it, take a fall. So that's what I'm pretty much looking for. So I'm watching as the spots dropping. So I'm like, okay, cool. Let's stay patient. Let's watch what's going on. And hey, so I see it's coming towards my target. It's getting close to my target. So I'm like, all right, cool. And then you know what? It didn't even touch it. I'm like, bro. So I go to my Ninja Trader and I'm like, all right, cool. I missed the play. Then I look at the 5-minute chart, and the 5-minute look like it's on a nice support line. Not support, but nice trend line. It's following trend line. So I'm like, man, I think I just missed my play. And I did. I'm like, man. But, you know, it's okay. It's always more plays into the market. So I'm not really tripping on that as much. So I'm pretty much just staying patient. So you'll see some clips where I fast forward until some action happens. But yeah, I'm pretty much staying patient on this play. But on this 5-minute, you can see it's a turn into a pin bar. It looked like a nice pin bar for forming. A lot of traders love taking pin bar candle patterns. Well, candlesticks. But so yeah, so it looked like a nice pin bar. I can see the wick, all the buying power in it. So nobody was not trying to let that fall yet. I missed the play. I could have got in, actually, if I seen that 2-minute good. I could have got in once it broke that candle, or broke that support resistance right there. But I was cool off that. I wasn't really like mentally. I was thinking I wasn't prepared for that play. I wasn't confident in it, and I'm not taking no plays I ain't confident in. So I'm just looking at the chart. So I'm like, oh man, it's straight play up to 386. I already know it. So I'm like, it's cool. It's cool. So I'm just patiently waiting. And right now the market looks trash right now. It looks trash. So I'm not hopping straight into that play. So I'm just going to stay patient until the market give me something. Only thing I think of, if it breaks below that support, it's falling to that 200, to that like 382 area that I have marked right there. Or it's going to go to 386 and bounce back down. I don't see it doing more than that. So them is the plays I was really looking for. And I'm just watching it. That thing just go. It just flies. So I missed that play. You know, I could have been done off that play right there. But it's okay. There's always more plays into the market. So I was not tripping at all. Right now, you see the 5-minute hit that support. So we just wait for it just to go higher. And it went higher. It broke that support. So at that point, I was like, yeah, it's going 386. That boy gone. That boy gone. It's going 386. It's gone. And I'm looking at the rest of the market. The only thing is down is pretty much is Tesla. But everything else is playing up on my watch list. So at this point, I'm looking for maybe a retest to come down. If not, I'm gonna play the short, but I gotta wait for a play to happen. And the way this is rocking up, I was like, maybe I could get a retest coming in. Maybe at the area right now where I got it at. Maybe a retest, but just have to see off that. Okay, so back into it. Me just looking, the market straight fall. I look like a nice fall grade happen. Looking at the 1 minute chart, if it breaks below, I knew the sell pressure was gonna come in, and maybe get that retest at that supply zone. So it broke below. Fast forward, broke below. I'm like, all right, yeah, we gotta get us something. We gotta get us some action. And I was gonna take me a buy. Just go demonstrate. Take me a buy, getting some action, you know. So I think pretty much drops. Just dropping. Go ahead, take me 2 buys in. I'm gonna set my stop in there, see what it's gonna do. And you know, it didn't go my way. Took 2 contracts and it didn't go my way, but it's okay. I have my stop loss in, so most I will lose is about $75. I think that's what I lost on this play. Boom. As a trader, that's never a good feeling to have, but it don't hurt, bro. I guess because I probably lost so much money within the past 2-3 years trading. So, and you gotta lose money to make money. That's how I see it. And trading is all about taking risks. So I can lose a little to make a lot. That's how you can look at it. And if you can see my chart beside me, oh, the other way, like making $20 a day can make you that. $100 can make you $25,000. $500 can make you $126,000. There's 252 trading days a year. Think about it. So as we looking right here, it went straight to that support, and I'm like, oh yeah, it's a done deal. So I'm looking for it now to fall. We down $75. So I'm like, yeah. So I want to look for at this point is a retest. I want it to fall harder and come up to retest, and I wanted to play off that retest. That's what I'm looking for now, and I called it early. So that's the play I'm looking for. So patiently waiting, we're looking, it's dropping, looking for that drop. And right when I seen this drop, I was like, yeah, that's what I'm looking for. That thing dropped hard too. So now I'm looking for a retest. So if that 1 minute you can see where I have it marked up at that resistance, I want to hit that part right there and go back in for that sell and play it below. And I'm just patiently waiting. Good thing about trading, you got to be patient. Everything you got to do is be patient. And looking at trading view, it hit the 200 and it hit that 383 area. So, hey, the market's doing what it wants to do right now. And anytime I see something like the 200 for me, it's a straight magnet. So I'll always try to play to that 200. And the fact that it was at 383, and it was going straight to there. But to fast forward a little bit, it hit my zone. I didn't go straight to take that sell. I waited a little bit. I like more confirmation. I want the red to take out the green for me to go in, and it didn't do that yet because you know it can still go up. So now I'm waiting for it to, off that 1 minute to break that wick off that candle. So I'm looking. I'm like, okay, wait for it. Oh, I was waiting to press the button. I was waiting, and then it just went. You know what I did? Ping! 4 contracts in. Now we still down, so but we up a little bit, you know. But if you stand patient, watch it. Pow, pow, pow. I get excited when this stuff happens. I swear I do. So, and we up. We going. We almost up to $100. There we go at 100. Now we up $45. So I'm moving my stop below, because I'm going to my price target, so it won't hit my price target. So that's why I'm doing that. And then the minute I'm moving my stop above the big red bar, that's where I like moving into. If it's a big bar, I move my stop above it, give it more room to play. Cause stocks either like to go sideways this way to go back down, or it can consolidate a little bit. And sometimes you can get wicked out. So I like to have enough room for my plays to move. So that's what I did. So you can see the 1 minute it retested again. If you see the area retested, and now we're looking for that fall. I'm looking for it to go down more. We up probably like $20, $25, $40. Even though we up more, but you know, we took the 2 losses. Well, 1 loss by about 2 contracts. Yeah, it is what it is, you know. But I'm staying patient, and I'm just holding. Just wait for it. Boom, boom, boom. Being patient. Right now we got 6 contracts, so I added 2 more contracts. Waiting for it to break that. Once it broke it, boom. I could have added more once it broke that wick off the 2 minute, but I didn't. But it's okay. So we just staying patient, waiting on it. Boom. Took out for my profits. It hit where I wanted to hit. Came up with 182 for the day. Came out profitable. And I'm good with that. You know, of course you're gonna make more money, but you got the little things add up over the course of the periods of time. Like, look, if you my chart, this is money you can make. So even if you're making a little amount of money, it's okay. You just gotta stay patient. You always want to have more money. Of course, it's not about the money though. It's about being disciplined, executing your plan. I know I'm not perfect. I know sometimes I'm gonna still make mistakes all the time. I know sometimes, you know, I might get a little greedy, where you don't want a revenge trade, but sometimes it's a habit. Sometimes you just think about it, but sometimes that can get me. Like, I'm gonna post videos from me in the past from when that happens, where I revenge trade and I lost $2,000, $500, $700. Like, that happened to me in the past, and for me to be disciplined, I had to go through that so many times for me to be like, you know what? Let me take a break. I'm stopping right now. So, but yeah, so I came up profitable for the day, made 182. So I'm good for the day. But there's more videos coming, guys. Hope you like it. Like it, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.